Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your car's air conditioning system. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Put on your protective gloves and safety glasses. Make sure your Nissan Sentra's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. This ensures a safe working environment for the entire process, protecting you from potential harm. Now, let's connect the refrigerant gauge. Find the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L or a smaller diameter. Firmly attach the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant kit to this port. You will hear a click when it is properly seated. The gauge will then display the current pressure in your AC system. With the gauge connected, start your Nissan Sentra's engine and turn the air conditioning to its maximum setting with the fan on high. Begin adding the refrigerant by squeezing the trigger on the can. Invert the can or shake it gently as you add. Watch the pressure gauge closely to avoid overfilling the system. Continue adding refrigerant until the pressure gauge reads within the recommended green zone, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the desired pressure is reached, release the trigger and quickly disconnect the hose from the low-pressure port. Finally, check your car's AC vents to confirm that cold air is now flowing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.